In today's video, I want to show you guys what you can do if you have no signal, there's no signal problem. And the thing you can do is click on the home button for the first step, and then you can go to the right, go up to the right, and here you can select the right input like cable, antenna, satellite, AV, HDMI, or something else. This is really important. And after that, if you have found the right, you can click on it like antenna, and here you can do a auto scan or manual scan to find new channel. This is what you can do. And if you have this screen, you can click on OK, on the OK button, and then this menu will open, and here you can click on new channels available, and then you can here like set up your antenna, a TV, satellite, or something else. And yeah, if I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe. It would help me a lot, and then see you next time.